Here's how to configure Windows Authentication for SCS-VR. To use Windows Authentication, the database administrator will need to set up logins with appropriate authority on the VR databases. First, open the database configurator. Check Use Windows Authentication, then select Test Connection. In the Setup console, leave the username and password field blank. To set up the service to run for a specific user login, go to Services and select SCS-VR. Select the Log On tab. Select this account and enter the account and password, then confirm by selecting OK. To set up the service to run for the default computer login, set up the logins in SQL Server. If the virtual receiver and database are on the same machine, the default user will be nt-authority/system. Double-click the service and select User Mapping. Select the users mapped to this login. Then select the user permissions under Database Role Membership. Finally, select OK. If the virtual receiver and database are on separate machines, the service user will be phrased as domain name / machine name $. Double-click the service and select User Mapping. Select the users mapped to this login, then select the user permissions under Database Role Membership. Then select OK. For more information on SCS-VR or other DMP products, visit dmp.com.